Hello little ones, welcome to my channel, and in this series we are going to study vowel sounds, and today's vowel is I. What is today's vowel? Today's vowel is I, and we are going to study CVC words. 3 letters CVC words. CVC words, as we already know, are consonant, vowel, consonant words. We are going to study I vowel words. CVC words with I vowel. Okay, let's begin. How do we read them? What is the sound of I? The phonic sound of I is I. I. How do we pronounce it? The vowel sound of vowel I is A, and by the help of this sound we are going to study today's CVC words. Let's begin the fun. My first alphabet here is B, and we all know the phonic sound of B is B. B, I, B, bib. B, I, B, bib. B, I, B, bib. N, I, B, nib. Phonic sound of N is N. I is I, B is B. So how do we read it? How do we know कि हमें इसे पढ़ना क्या है? हमारे सामने ये लिखा है, but we should know how to read it one by one. By learning these phonic sound, we will know what is written here. N, I, B, nib. N, I, B, nib. Here, what is the phonic sound of L? L. L, I, D. Lid. L, I, D. Lid. Moving further, phonic sound of D is D, D, I, G, dig, D, I, G, dig, D, I, G, dig. Moving further, phonic sound of B is B, B, I, N, bin, B, I, N, bin. R. What is the phonic sound of R? R. R. I. M. Rim. R. I. M. Rim. And if I replace R by D again, what does it become? What is the phonic sound of D? अभी देखा है. D. D. I. M, dim. D, I, M, dim. Okay. Let's see some more words. My next word is this. What is the phonic sound of W? V. V. V, I, N, win. V, I, N, win. Okay. Let's read some more words. I will write some more words. Now my next word is this. What is the phonic sound of T? T, I, N, tin. T, I, N, tin. Okay. What is this? You all know it. M, I, D, mid. M, I, D, mid. My next word is my favorite word, and you all know it. What is this word? What is the phonic sound of K? K. K, I, D, kid. K, I, D, kid. And kid means बच्चा. बच्चे तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. That is why I said this is my favorite word. K, I, D, kid. So you have seen today that how simple is it to learn I, vowel I sound CVC words. You just have to remember the phonic sounds of the letter, phonic sound of the letter, and you are through. Let's repeat the letters once again. B, E, B, bib. N, E, B, nib. L, E, D, lid. D, E, G, dig. B, B को क्या पढ़ेंगे? ब, ब, E, न, bin. D, E, म, dim. V, E, न, win. Win, victory. सबको अच्छी लगती है ना? T, E, न, tin. M, E, D, mid. K, E, D, kid. So this is how we read vowel I CVC word. Thank you so much for watching and hope you are all learning them very fine. Thank you.